skip up into a roll off.
Skip up into a roll off.
Let's show it doing this way. Hey, 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 we go. Kick step, hop, right back into that basic. Okay, we'll show it from the back as well. Hop, hey, hey, we're bringing it on, hop, hey, kick, boom, hop.
We also talked about that big moment in a skip up. How you can isolate that and use it by itself.
Hop, hey, hey, we go. Hey, do it as many times as you like. Hop, or boom. Hey, you go right into a roll up. Do it again. Hop, hey, hop.
We also talked a little bit about 20s Charleston and how that's sort of the predecessor to the Charleston we've been doing. It is a little more on the floor. We'll show it from the back. It still has that same skeleton as our regular Charleston, where we're all on the same foot. We're stepping back on our left. We go touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. Then we talked about adding those twisties. We started by just twisting our heels out, and then leaning to one side, leaning to the other side. That's a great way to learn the twisties, and then eventually you can apply them to that skeleton where we have back, 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 back. That's a great skill to learn on your own, to practice. If you're dancing it, it's okay if you just have those straight feet and get the shape right.
That's how we'll show it. We have this little entrance, rock step, kick, up, kick. I bring that in front, step, step, step. When we want to go back, hey, hop, point, hop, boom, hey. And that's what we did. See ya later.